Hi, hello, mom and sir. My name is Carlota P. Salinas. I'm single mother. I'm living in the Philippines. I have a single mother. I have two kids, 16 years old and 14 years old. And my daughter take care of my mother. And I'm experienced in the ex-abroad Jordan. I have a take care of the baby, newborn and 2 years old. I cooking and cleaning and take care of the baby. And next, and the experience in the Singapore newborn, Korea family. I have the two kids, taker, newborn and 2 years old. And now I have the here in the Hong Kong. I experience take care of the baby to 8 years old and 7 years old. I cooking little, not good. I cooking in the Chinese food, not more, little bit. I try my best in the cooking. I try my best in the take care your kids and dogs. I try my best in honestly, good and good person for you and clean in the house and always good for you and thank you, madam and sir.